Football is a sport that crosses all geographic and religious boundaries. As a team sport, football encourages children to embrace teamwork, improves communication and social skills, provides opportunity for them to take on leadership roles, and it also promotes healthy lifestyle in terms of psychological and physical way. However, as a result of the limitation in resources, the experience of the game in developing countries and developed countries has a huge difference. Poor quality of playground and lack of football communities are the results of limited funding from governments and officials in developing countries. For families, football accessories like shoes, shin pads, and football itself are hardly affordable. These factors raise parents' concerns about children playing football in unsafe conditions. I want to design an affordable and protective football shoes that most of the children in developing areas dream of having. At the beginning of the design journey, I was researching on the technology, material, finishing, and the manufacturing process of well-designed football shoes, as well as the function of each layer of a protective shoe. Going through used football shoes, I was studying their design details. The inner side of football shoes usually have a layer of strong material with friction in order to increase the strength of passing. Sometimes there will be an additional layer of fabric placed with Velcro on top of the shoe to protect the feet when shooting. The shoe soles are stitched together with the body to prevent it from peeling off during the game and to longer the shoe's lifespan. Stretchable materials are used to make the shoe more comfortable to wear and to fit into different feet shapes. So I drill down all the specific design characters on a piece of fabric to remind myself the key elements of a football shoe. This is the template of a football shoe before it is assembled with a complicated and costly machinery process. I want to design a football shoe that is made easily, massively reduce the cost of manufacturing process in order to lower the market price and make these football shoes be affordable for any class of society in developing areas. Functionality of material plays a big role in shoes, especially football shoes. So I was testing different materials and studying their specialities and the advantages it provides. Velcro can strongly attach layers of fabrics together with the hooks and loops, and they can easily be detached by hand. This material is called stretch spacer fabric, made with polyamide on the outer surface and skin life on the inner surface. It is produced by Beltex for mainly military and spacecraft use. It is strong, breathable, and highly stretchable. Inspired by some foldable, stretchable, and self-assembled shoes design, I was trying to fold up a shoe from a flat piece of sheets and fabric. For the shoe sole, it's made of rubber. I cut it and sand it to make it as comfortable as it can be. And then I stuck the sole and the body together for testing. The edge of the fabric is stitched with overlock sewing machine to avoid the damage through constant friction with the football in the game. The stitching process does not affect the stretchability of the fabric. Introduce to you the world's first football sandal, Fold.